Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix all basic errors in the Threads app in simple and easy step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off. Then open the Threads app again. Step 2. Restart the Threads app. Now close the app completely from recent app. Wait a few seconds, then open it again. This often fix small glitches. Step 3. Restart your phone. Turn your phone off. Wait about 30 seconds and turn it back on. Then try opening Threads again. Step 4. Update the Threads app. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store. Then search for Threads and tap Update if available. Update fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Log out and log back in. Now open Threads settings in the top right corner with the 2 line. Tap on it. Then tap on log out of your account. Then sign in again. This refresh your account seasons. And that's how you can fix all basic errors in the Threads app. Also follow those simple steps and your Threads app should work smoothly again. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.